Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a position bulb in a Volkswagen Lupo. So to remove this whole thing we have a Torx T25, hopefully you can see it right here, and undo this screw, which is stubborn like hell, so I need both hands. Be back in a second. Take two. And yes, another video will be in the description. I already replaced the same bulb on the other side, which had the brake part of it damaged. Actually, this is not a bulb, this is a good one that I'm going to put here. The bad one was in my pocket and I forgot. This is the damaged one, you can see it yellowish. So if your wife is driving the car, make sure you check the bulbs from time to time. Now that we undid that screw, we need to slide this to the side. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but doable. And at this point we are pulling on the wires, which do have the connection for the parking sensors on them, so be careful not to break it. Yes, it's aftermarket, so yours might not have it. And we need to undo these two screws, and this one always gets rusty, so that's gonna be annoying. Let me undo them, hopefully this goes well, and be back and I will put some oil on it. Okay, removed the two Phillips screws from right here, and now unlatch this and make sure you somehow hold on to the lower part because it will fall. The wires are holding just this part, and unlatch it from the back. You have two latches, one on each side. Lift it slowly and wiggle it around and it will somehow unlatch. Kind of hard to do with one hand and try to film at the same time, and it's out. And now the lower part is just flapping around in the breeze. So this is the culprit. We need to replace it by rotating it counterclockwise, getting it out, and you can see the filament kind of wobbling in there, so no bueno. Although that seems to be the brake one, but the other one is also damaged. Anyway, let's put in a good bulb, and the contacts are in good shape. So let's see which is which, because this has two bumps, one lower, one higher, so if it doesn't go, you cannot rotate it, then it means it goes the other way around in, and it's locked. So let's give it a test. And we have position, and let's see about the brake. Yep, it's working, so this is good. Let's just close everything back up. To put this back, you simply slide that tongue in the hole on both sides, start pushing it down, and when it's all the way down, lock it in here. And now put back the screws, but put some oil on the threads so you don't have problems. Also put some oil on the thread from the bigger one. Screws are in. Now next step, rotate this, make sure those plastics go in. In my case, again, you might not have them, so they went in. And align the pins with the holes, both top and bottom. Kind of annoying at one point, but it is what it is. And now we put this back again with some oil. And it's tight, don't over tighten, just make sure it's tight. And now I need to buy two bulbs to put back in the kits. You should always have backups with you. Let's give this a test and hope it works properly. First, position light, and it's working, and some brakes. Yep, brakes also working. So we are done. And that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.